Come on, 10 people for the ugliest version of the car show. We're looking for 10 participants. 10 people. 8. Come on, 2 more people. We can pull 2 more. Come on, 2 more people. Don't hit this mice. Let's make it a competition, man. Don't make them dance with sticky legs or something. Armin Flores, Richie Castillon. Come on, man. Estamos gente de manos para que sea. Hey, y'all come on. Free beef. Oh no. You competing too now? Alright, man. Alright, let's see. You got several contestants, alright? Several people up here. Alright, we're gonna start over here from the right-hand side. Come on, people, gather around so you can see these people, man. You gotta take a good look, cause y'all are the judges. Check this guy out, look at him. Oh, hell no, dog. Oh, shit. Hey, he think he's 30 cents, dog. He's 49 cents, nigga. Alright, I don't know what's his name, but he's here. Alright, we got contestant number 2. Come on, number 2. Contestant number 2, we got Butterball. Come on, man. What's up? What y'all think, man? What y'all think, huh? Alright, we got over here, we got the homies right here from the poster. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? He ugly? No. You ain't ugly, dog. You ain't ugly enough. They like her that way. What's up, homeboy? Alright, he's coming up. He's saying he's ugly, dog. Yeah, está pego lato, ¿qué onda? Eh? I don't know, dog. They think you got some titties or something, güey. I don't think it's it. Eh? Dale, homeboy. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up, huh? ¿Está muy bonito o qué onda? I don't hear y'all yelling, man. Alright, we got another one over here. Un cholo fracasado. Trying to do his thing. Hey, with a Bud Light in the back. Hey, what y'all think? No, see? Acá. Wannabe rapper that never made it. Aquí está el vato, eh? ¿Qué onda? What y'all think? He ugly? He says he's pretty ugly. I don't know. Vamos, este también. Solo, he used to be a solo artist. Used to sing in the bathroom. Doing his thing, pero vamos a ver. ¿Qué onda? Is he ugly or not? Y'all think he's ugly? Oh, you think he's ugly? Yeah. ¿Qué onda? Estás feo, güey. I don't know. We got the porcupine thing going on. You know, he's calling porcupines. He's trying to see if he can be the ugliest. He's wearing the brightest shirt here at the car show. You know, the brightest shirt. Trying to win some money. Oh, shit. Listo. Vámonos. Mira. Pretty ugly, huh? Pretty ugly. Let's finish this shit. We got this old boy right here. Hey, Mr. Clean, come on. Give it up for Mr. Clean, people. ¿Qué onda? No love. All right. Vámonos. It's your show. Míralo. What y'all got? El más flaco del car show y el más feo. We can do that, man. Shit. I'm gonna pick 3. We got 3, man. Night to them. Alright, we're gonna start with number 1. I'm gonna number 1. Árale. Show them how you do the jello dance, dog. Oh shit. Hey, pick your pants up, dog. You don't wanna see that crap. Say no to drugs, homie. Alright, we got that one. Alright, contestant number 2. Here we go, contestant number 2, people. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? Oh shit. Number 3. Vámonos, number 3. Hey, number 4. What's up? Baby? What's up? Oh shit. I don't know, man. There's 2 more. We got 2 people left. 2 beer, number 1. What's up, man? What's up? Oh shit. Alright, we got number 2, contestant number 2. What y'all know about it? Shit. I'll let you know. Do the stinky leg. Do the stinky leg. Come on, let's hear it. One more time. Shit, it's a battle to the death on this one, man. What y'all think? One more time. One more time. Órale, contestant number 1. Échale number 1, man. Dale number 1. Let's go, people. Let's go. Booty, rocking everywhere. Oh, shit. The battle is. The battle of the ugly, nigga. Oh, my God, dog. I'll let you go. What was that, dog? You alright? Need some water? Yes.